In the late 70s, when eaves and fascia ventilation was first thought of, most people tended to use either a push-in soffit vent or a soffit strip. These had inherent problems with blockage, and architects and developers were looking for a more positive way of bringing the air that they needed into the roof void. The introduction of the DOS series, durable over fascia ventilating strip, was introduced in the sort of early 90s. We have two types to fulfill the requirements of the ventilation that is needed for the modern house. DOS 10, which is what I have in my hand, comes in two lengths, 500mm or 1 metre. It's made of polypropylene, usually in black. It has a 10,000 requirement per linear metre to meet the requirements of BS 5250. It is 35mm high, 25 deep, and say it comes in either 1 metre or 500mm length. The DOS 25, on the other hand, although sold in 1 metre, is made up of two 500mm parts. Same material, polypropylene, same colour, but it's 35 high, 32 deep, 500 or 1 metre. 25,000 requirement to meet 5250 for the warm roof. When installing DOS 10, on the underside of the unit is a lug, where my finger is, that should butt up against the front of the fascia board. Keeps it in nice position, so that the nail then can be put into the nail hole, all the way at the end. Nailed in each of the fixtures points, and then when that one's finished nailed, we put the next unit, butt it up to each other, and follow.